May Day dance. When spring is in the air, it is time for the Maypole. Perfect for traditional celebrations and festivals, this dance is both beautiful and fun to master. This version is all the way to Galway version of the Maypole dance. Look in the description for the easy version and the extended history, and remember to like and subscribe. The 1st of May has been celebrated as the crowning of the May Queen or Ivy Queen and her marriage to the Oak King. They would unite with hand fasting, a tying to signify their union, and untying to signify their willingness to remain together, of a ribbon in a figure 8 about their wrist. This is where the term tying the knot came from. They would then celebrate by dancing around the maypole. Many May celebrations include the crowning of the May Queen, followed by dancing around a maypole. Mary, the mother of Jesus, is crowned the 1st of May, same as the May Queen. This practice dates back to the Middle Ages and was officially established in the 17th century. Various churches incorporated the maypole in their May festivities. Villagers gathered around a summer rod at the Holy Trinity Church in Exeter, United Kingdom in 1588. Geoffrey Chaucer, the English poet, even mentions the annual Maypole at St. Andrew's Undershaft. Welcome to the Historically Accurate Princess Dances. Today we're doing the Maypole with the Ivy Queen and the Oak King for a fun spring festival. So come on with us and check out how to do this. Remember to like and subscribe to our line and check out all our fun videos at adventuresindance.com. Step 1. 8 steps forward. Alternating people will go forward and back from the pole for 8 counts. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Retreat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second step, all people to the left, 8 counts, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 3, all people to the right, 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat from the beginning until the song ends. When you put it all together, it looks like this. 6, 7, 8.
Nope, you're not in yet, buddy. Oh, whoops. Sorry.
That's right.
Now you get to go in.
Now go.
King and Queen